Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all are doing well. Now I am going to teach English language revision chapter 6, 7 and 8. Listen, English language revision chapter 6, 7 and 8. Okay? Okay. Now listen all of you. I want to say some instructions for your copywriting. Please don't write book exercise in your English language copy. Language copy, please don't write book exercise. Only you have to write definitions and examples. Only chapter definition and example you have to write. Don't write full exercise in your copy. Then second one, most of the students are not write chapter 8. Please complete your work. Chapter 8, you have to write a definition and example. Okay? Then listen. Chapter 6, revision chapter 6, pronouns. Chapter 6, pronouns. Take all of you page number 38. Page number 38. See, what are pronouns? Words that are used in place of nouns are called pronouns. What are pronouns? Words that are used in place of nouns are called pronouns. See, some pronouns are there. I, me, we, us, you, he, him, they, them, she, her, it. It is some pronouns. Okay? I repeat, I, me, we, us, you, he, him, they, them, she, her, it. It is some pronouns. See some examples. Examples. See. Fill in pronouns for the underlined words. Fill in pronouns for the underlined words. See. Rima is my sister. Underlined words is Rima. Change it to pronouns. She. Rima means instead of Rima you have to write she. She is the pronouns. See, Rima is my sister. Underlined words is Rima. Then the space had given it is she. She means Rima only. She rings very well. She sings very well. She sings very well. Okay. Then second, see, Mohit is my cousin. Instead of Mohit, you have to write he. He means Mohit only. He is 10 years old. It is pronouns he. Okay, Mohit, instead of Mohit, you have to write here he, because he is the pronouns. Pronouns is he. He is 10 years old. Understand all of you this lesson, chapter 6? Okay, shall I move next lesson? Then see chapter 7, adjectives. Chapter 7, adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. Adjectives are describing words. They tell us something about nouns. What is adjectives? Adjectives are describing words. They tell us something about nouns. See, example. The little girl has a red doll. The little girl has a red doll. Then colors and numbers are also adjectives. See the example. I have 5 pencils. They are red and blue. I have 5 pencils. They are red and blue. See, adjectives. The definition of adjectives is adjectives are describing words. They tell us something about the nouns. Example, the little girl has a red doll. Colors and numbers are also adjectives. Then, I have 5 pencils. They are red and blue. Okay? All of you study well. Chapter 6, 7 and 8 also. Then chapter 8, adverbs. Those who are not right, the chapter 8 definitions and example, please write down in your English language copy. Most of the students are not written, that's why I am telling. Chapter 8 Adverbs. What are adverbs? With example. What are adverbs with example? Words that tell you more about verbs are called adverbs. Words that tell you more about verbs are called adverbs. For example, the snail crawls slowly. The train moves noisily. The train moves noisily. See, the train moves noisily. See, what are adverbs? With example, words that tell you more about verbs are called adverb. See the example also. The snail crawls slowly. Ly, slowly. The train moves noisily. Okay, you slowly and noisily. It is the example. Understand all of you? Then I already taught book exercise also. It is already over. Now all of you study well English language chapter 6, 7, 8 and revision 2 and worksheet 2. I already taught that lessons. Okay? Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. All of you study well. Chapter English language, chapter 6, 7, 8. Chapter 6 it is pronouns. Chapter 7 it is adjectives. Chapter 8 it is adverbs. Next video I will send worksheet 2 and revision 2 video. Revision and worksheet. Revision 2 and worksheet 2. Next video I will send revision. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.